Are you ready to take your skills to the next level? Join us at the TDP Empowerment Center for a free Python programming course that will open doors to countless opportunities. Python is one of the most popular programming languages today, known for its simplicity and versatility. Whether you want to dive into web development, data analysis, or even artificial intelligence, Python is a perfect starting point. Benefits of Python course: easy to learn, perfect for beginners with its clear and straightforward syntax. High demand, Python skills are high in demand across industries, boosting your employability. Versatile applications, from web development to data science, Python opens up diverse career paths. And that's not all. At the TDP Empowerment Center, we also provide free communication skills training to enhance your confidence and professional interactions. Enjoy free lunch during the course to keep you energized and focused. Don't miss out this incredible opportunity to learn Python and improve your communication skills. Enroll now at the TDP Empowerment Center and take the first step towards a brighter future.